Particularly, we are looking at area of a rectangle. So let's look at this question now. Find the area of the shaded portion in the diagram below. Find the area of the shaded portion in the diagram below. So if you look at this diagram, you discover that there's a shaded portion or part of that diagram, and there's this other part that is inside is not shaded. So we have to find the area of this shaded portion. So how do you go about it? Remember, the other one we did was very straightforward. So how do we go about this particular question? Remember that the whole diagram, if you look at it, the whole diagram, the length is 8 meters, while the breadth is what? 4 meters. Then the one inside has length of 3 meters and breadth of 2 meters. So for us to find the portion, the shaded portion, we're going to find the area of this entire diagram. Then after getting the area of the entire diagram, we're going to find the area of this portion that is not shaded. So after getting the area of this portion that is not shaded, we're going to subtract that part from the area of the entire diagram. So by so doing, we're going to get the area of the shaded portion. So let's go about it this way. Area of the rectangle is equals to 8 times 4, and 8 times 4 will give you what? 32 meters. So that's the area of the entire shape of the rectangle. So let's get the area of this part, the unshaded parts. Area of the unshaded parts is equals to 3 times 2. 3 times 2 will give you 6 meters. So now we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. So since we have gotten the area of the unshaded part to be 6 meters, and the area of the entire diagram to be what? 32 meters. So for us to get the area of the shaded portion, we simply subtract this unshaded part from the area of the entire diagram. That will give us 32 minus 6. 32 meters minus 6 meters. That will give us what? 32 meters, remember it's meter square. Meter square. Area of shapes is measured using, the unit is meter squares or centimeter squared. So we're going to subtract 32 meters square from, 6 meters square from 32 meters square, and that will give you 20 what? 32 minus 6 will give you what? 26, right? Yes, 22 meters square. So that is your final answer. So the area of the shaded part is 26 meters square.